Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the scroll bar is not showing on your Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So currently I am in my Microsoft Excel and I cannot find the horizontal and the vertical scroll bar. So I cannot access into scrolling. I'm just using the mouse scroll. Now, what can we do to fix it? It's very easy. So you just have to click on this file tab, which is the very first tab in here. And here you will find this option more. So in the list of options, you need to look for more. And here you will find these options. In the list of options right here for the Excel options, you will find the advanced. Click on advanced. And then you have to scroll down and you will find this display options for this workbook. Now you have here the show horizontal scroll bar and the show vertical scroll bar. Then you just need to simply check that and then you have to click on OK. And that's it. Now the scroll bar, both horizontal and vertical, are showing. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.